Your art on the walls is a beautiful thing, but remind me again when you got interested. Oh yeah, I remember the night when you lost your mind. I was sitting at Matt's place, wasting all my time. You've come a long way since that night when you hit rock bottom, your skin exposed so bright. You were my woman with the wind in her eyes. I saw that night came through. That red flag went up and you told me to quit. I disregarded your wisdom and I blame it on my kin. Pardon my French to all my conservatives. A slip of the tongue is better than a life not lived. Yes it is. Yes it is. Oh yes it is. Come a long way since that night when I hit rock bottom, my skin exposed so bright. You were my woman with the wind in her eyes. I saw that night came through. I laid in the ocean, you ran out to sea. I couldn't focus my vision, my blood was running down me. You called out my name, I was slow to respond. But we live in a house now, every day we thank God that when I laid on the surface, you were all I looked for. That brace couldn't hold me, I was called by the Lord. You're a reverend preacher, I'm a man with no gun. And I'm foolish for love, cause I'm a prodigal son. Come a long way since that night when I hit rock bottom, my skin exposed so bright. You were my woman with the wind in her eyes. I saw that night came through. That night, I stepped into a dream. But now I barely wanna sing. Well, my voice feels fine, but there's nothing left to say. I tried searching for her face, but lately the clouds are in the way, and her phone works fine. I guess she's got nothing to say. I'm just a songbird in a cage, half screaming, and if she can't see through the haze, what's the point of songs again? Not here is all she'll ever be. One cold year now has turned to 3, and it's 5. It's only ever me. Yeah, it's 5. I can never breathe. I might stay and just keep circling alone. And it's fine, it's only ever me. Yeah, it's fine, I can never breathe. I'm just a songbird in a cage, half screaming, and if she can't see through the haze, what's the point of songs here? A songbird, a songbird, a songbird in a cage with his wings clipped and no way out.